Safe and highly efficient power systems are the major keys to a prosperous city. It has always been our mission to provide comprehensive power distribution systems and maintain strict quality standards for switchgear. Since 1987, HORNG YU Electric has been focusing on the design and manufacturing of switchgear. We have switchgear, busbar processing, and electrical engineering. We offer high-quality products and professional services. We have more than 30 years of experience in customized power system, which are always optimized for the client's space and environment. HORNG YU's superb techniques and high-quality switchgear, which are originated from the strong backing of our outstanding Busbar Department, presenting the most comprehensive processing equipment and investing in R&D constantly. We are way beyond the conventional methods, resulting in the most precise and safe busbar products. We stay focused on every single detail, every connection, and every cable. Any slightest variables may alter the final performance, which is why we always evaluate our work with the highest standards. This is how we care for and insist on quality. Since 2017, HORNG YU Electric has committed to developing iPanel Power Cloud System in order to promote smart power management, which is a win-win strategy for energy applications and a sustainable environment. As a result, our accomplishments have earned us the Taiwan Excellence Award. In the future development of smart cities, power systems will still be acting as a fundamental part. We believe that the smart switchgear can significantly increase the efficiency of power quality, making power data more manageable than we have ever imagined. In addition to the enhancement of its safety, it will also protect the environment. The Taiwanese switchgear will always be advancing, shining upon the world.